Well, hello. I get it. Confidence is not easy. In fact, 85, according to most research, 85% of us suffer from some form of low self-esteem, but it doesn't have to be that way. My name is Shawn Langwell. I'm the author of 10 Seconds of Boldness, which is available in paperback, Kindle, and an audiobook, as well as a workbook. And over the next year to two, I'm going to start teaching from that book. And this is the first of those events where if you need a boost in confidence and you're tired of starting something or being too afraid to start, where you second guess or have a tendency to overthink things and need all your ducks in a row before you even get started, whether it's writing a book, editing a book, starting a business, expanding your business, becoming more confident to actually talk about your business and who you are and what you're all about. All of these things are tied to our self-esteem. And I'm going to share a few, five truths about building self-confidence. And I'm also going to give you 7 tips in this short hour free seminar on Saturday, March 9th at 10:30, from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Show up with some questions, show up with some of your challenges, show up with what it is that you're finding are impediments or obstacles to you moving forward. If you've already started some things and you want to finish what you've started, I'll help you put together a plan and a path to be able to do that. So join us this Saturday, March 9th, 10:30 a.m. The link is below. Sign up. It's free. It's an hour of your time. And as Jim Rohn said many years ago, indecision is the greatest thief of opportunity. Don't let your indecision to take control of your own future impede you from the forward progress and growth that you want for yourself. We'll see you on Saturday. Thanks.